After last week's video on reps in reserve, I started to think about my actual reserves that I have in my body to do another rep, to run an extra mile. Like, how much left in the tank am I leaving in my body to make sure that I don't burn out, to make sure I don't cramp or pull a muscle or break a bone. I started wondering about this and wondering if I would ever be able to increase my reserve energy. And I don't know if that would ever be possible, or maybe I'm thinking too broad and I need to really think more refined, because I feel that I'm more closer to my potential limit than when I first started working out. And maybe when I'm closer to my potential limit, I have less to gain. Like, I have less to make any jumps in my performance. Sure, I can always get faster. Sure, I can always get stronger. But the amount of potential that I have left doesn't seem as big as when I first started. So I'm thinking, like, I wonder if I could increase my reserve so that I can perform better. And the only way I could think of increasing my reserved energy is to just lift more volume, lift more reps, and find a way to have an extra set, bake an extra set into my workouts. I always stop myself short during every workout. And I feel like it's due to a multitude of factors: muscle fatigue, motivation, and maybe a little of everything else in between. And in order for me to get to that next level, I think adding something in, whether it be in the weight room, doing something for cardio. Sometimes when I'm running, I'll stop by the little park that has a little gym that does, like those little weight controlled movements. Like, I can do pull-ups there. There's always like a dip area. Also there's like, I don't know, some other movements there, like shoulder press and some other small things like that. I think that will in turn benefit me more than anything. I mean, it doesn't hurt to do a little extra every single time. A little bit here, a little bit there, always can benefit you in some way, whether it be emotionally or physically. And I think having that mentality to do something here and there builds a sort of a snowball effect, where little things here, little things there will amount to success, will amount to getting over that mountain top, over that hill. When you're struggling, you know that you're able to endure, you're able to get through the hard times. And I think adding in more reps to my training or adding more weights will definitely benefit me. Now the problem is that I have to find a reason to do it, and as of right now, it seems from my amount of weights I'm doing that I've been stagnant. The only thing that I've been moving up in this week has been the deadlift, and I'm happy with the slow progression, but at the same time I'm hungry to do more. That's it for this week, and I'll catch you in the next one.